Good morning, guys. Welcome back to S&B Diaries. Today we're visiting a National Trust property, Hidcote Manor, which is in Gloucestshire in England. Beautiful Cotswolds sandstone building here. As we come into the entrance, which has this winding wisteria on top of the shop here. So just coming in down the side of the house, you're into a tiny little courtyard garden, and we come to this huge tree hedges and a giant cedar tree there. Another windy morning here. Lovely old thatched cottage there. Through the keyhole. Excuse me. Beautifully carved hedges. Another very windy morning. Look at this tree, twisty and turny. Camellia. Bit of information for you guys. The garden was designed by Major Lawernce Johnston, a master gardener and planter. He travelled all over the world collecting different species of plants and shrubs to plant in the garden here. He's been in there loving tender care ever since. The way they've trained the lime boa over to make this wonderful arch. Opens up. I've got a little stream down there running through. Bit of peace and tranquility.
My little movable trolley thing, I've got the candle.
Handle burner. Some magnolia just coming into bud here. Just show you the moss on this. Yes, big old magnolia there, pink flowers on, just about make it out. Thanks for watching our tour here of Hidcote Manor Gardens in Gloucestershire, managed by the National Trust.